Hello friends and hello my students. Welcome you all again to my YouTube channel. I am Yogaraj Joshi from Baroda High School ONGC secondary section. Today's my subject is Sanskrit of Standard 9th English Medium and today we will learn chapter number 4 Valpi Vidyasthanam part 2. So let's start learning. Valpi Vidyasthanam, Valpi the place of learning part 2. So, dear students, we have already discussed chapter number 4, Valvi Vidyasthanam, in part 1. We have learned in the last video that in ancient India, education had an utmost important and there were so many well-known universities in India which were famous worldwide. For example, Nalanda University, Takshashila University, this Vishwavidyalaya, and there were so many renowned personalities get education from these universities. Also, we have discussed about one such education center which was situated in Gujarat named Valbhi Vidyasthanam located in Bhavnagar district. There were 18 types of subjects teaching and learning method was done like Vedas, Upaveda, Vedangas, Puranas, Mimamsa, Nyaya, etc. The commentator of Rigveda named Skandaswami used to live there only. We have also learned that during the time of Gupta Vansha, Vedas were the central subjects of education. And in the 4th century, the the center this center adopted in Buddhism and Jainism culture. During the sometimes two Buddhist saints, Sthiramati, Gunamati, and one Jain saint, Sri Mallavadi Suri also get their education from Valbhi Vidyasana. So these are the points we have studied about Valbhi Vidyasthanam in the last video. Okay, and now let's continue the remaining paragraphs, remaining parts. First, I will read the paragraph with Sandhimukta, and after that, I will explain word to word meaning and whole translation. So let's start. एतत् सूचयति यदत्र जैनबौद्धदर्शनानाम् अपि अध्ययनं प्रचलति स्म अत्र यथा रुचि यथामति छात्राः अपठन् प्रवेशार्थम् अत्र प्रवेशपरीक्षा अपि भवति स्म ताम् उत्तीर्य एव अत्र छात्रस्य प्रवेशः शक्यः आसीत्. Let's see, the first word is etat. Etat means this thing. Etat means this thing. Suchiyati means indicates. Suchiyati means indicate. Yadatra. So this word is Sandhi word. And we will distinguish this word. It becomes Yad plus Atra. Yadatra means here also. Next word is Jaina Bodha Darshanana api. So even of Jain and Buddhist philosophies, okay, Adhyanam means study, learning. Prachalatisma was going on. Prachalatisma means was going on. Here also when small rule will be applied and जब हम small word present tense के sentence के साथ use करते हैं यहाँ पे अध्ययनम प्रचलति ये जो इतना जो sentence है वो present tense का है पर हम इसके साथ small ऐसा word use करेंगे तो क्या हो जाएगा वो जो present tense का जो sentence है वो past tense में convert हो जाएगा यानी past tense बन जाएगा. So let's see the translation of this sentence. This thing indicates here the study of Jain and Buddhist philosophies in Darshana was going on here. Next is Atra. Atra means here. Yatha Ruchi. Yatha Ruchi means according to their interest. According to their interest. Okay. according to their interest. Yathamati, yathamati, mati means according to their understanding. Mati means buddhi, according to their understanding. Chhatraha, chhatraha means students. Apathan means study, get knowledge. Here, chhatra means students. Okay, so chhatra, students noun from in used in plural form. Then verb form also apathan is used in plural form. So let's see the translation of this sentence. Here, students get knowledge, get studied according to their interest and uh, according to their knowledge, according to their understanding. Okay, let's see the प्रवेशार्थम अत्र प्रवेश परीक्षा अपि प्रचलति स्म. प्रवेशार्थम अत्र प्रवेश परीक्षा अपि भवति स्म. प्रवेशार्थम अत्र, this word is sandhi word. Okay, so praveshartham atra, praveshartham atra means here for admission. Next word is pravesh pariksham api bhavati sma. Pravesh pariksha means pravesh pariksha means entrance test also. Api means also bhavati sma. Bhavati sma means there used to be. Okay, let's see the translation. Here entrance test was taken to get admission. Tam utirya. So this word also uh, sandhi word, and we will disjoin this word. It becomes tam plus utirya. Tam utirya. Okay, so passing it, only passing it. Okay, after passing this test, tam utirya. Utirya यानी पास करने के बाद, after passing this test only, eva means only, atra means here, chhatrasya. So here sya is the suffix of sashti vibhakti, and we'll translate in English, then we will get of ऐसा जो word मिलेगा. छात्रस्य means of students. Here sya is the suffix of sashti vibhakti. Praveshah means admission. Shakyah means possible. Asit means was. Asit means was. So was is asit is the root of us, past tense third person singular. So let's see the translation. After passing this test, only possible to get admission. Let's see next. First I will read. ख्रिस्तस्य पञ्चम्यं शताब्द्याम् इदम् उपनगरं मैत्रकाणां राजधानी आसीत्. मैत्रकाणां व्यवस्थानुसारम् अध्ययनस्य समाप्त्य अनन्तरं वादसभायां शास्त्रार्थः भवति स्म. शास्त्रार्थे विभिन्नानां मतमतान्तराणां खण्डनमण्डनपूर्वकं विमर्शः भवति स्म. अनेकस्मै विजयीजनाय राजा पारितोषिकरूपेण भूमिम् अयच्छत्. कदाचित् विजयीजनानां नामानि विद्यापीठस्य द्वारे उटङ्कितानि अभवन्. So let's see the first word. ख्रिस्तस्य पञ्चम्यां शताब्द्यां, यानी in the 5th century AD. Idam upanagaram, this word is sandhi word. Okay, and it will disjoin this word, it becomes idam plus upanagaram, means this suburb. Next word is Maitrakanam. Maitrakanam Rajdhani. Maitraka means of Maitraka kings. मैत्रक राजा, मैत्रक वंश के जो राजा थे उसके राजधानी, ये जो है पूरा जो राजधानी वो मैत्रक वंश की थी. तो मैत्रकाणाम राजधानी मीन्स ऑफ मैत्रका किंग्स. राजधानी, राजधानी मीन्स कैपिटल. Rajdhani means capital. Asit means was. So let's see the translation of this sentence. In the 5th century, this suburb was capital of Maitraka Vansh. Maitraka Vansh kings. Maitrakanam. So Ram is the Sashti Vibhakti plural. Okay. रामस्य रामयोः रामाणाम, इस तरह से मैत्रका मैत्रकौ मैत्रकाणाम. सो ऑफ इसका ये भी इसका ट्रांसलेशन करेंगे तो क्या हो जाएगा इसको इंग्लिश में तो ऑफ ही है होगा ऑफ मीन्स ऑफ मैत्रकास ऑफ मैत्रका किंग्स व्यवस्था अनुसारम दिस वर्ड is also संधि वर्ड एंड व्यवस्थानुसारम means according to arrangement अध्ययनस्य means is a so here also षष्ठी vibhakti of study of the study समाप्य anantaram so this word is compound word okay and this word is compound word panchami tatpurush samas समाप्तेः अनन्तरं समाप्त्यानन्तरं पंचमी तत्पुरुष समास after the completion of study after the completion of study वादसभायां शास्त्रार्थः भवति स्म वादसभा वाद वाद वादसभा means debating assembly वादसभायां तो मध्यम पद लोपी समास है वादसभायां मीन्स मध्यम पद लोपी समास है जब भी हम इसको जब ये डिस्टर्न होगा तब उसको क्या कहेंगे वाद सभा मीन्स वाद सभायां शास्त्रार्थ भवति स्म नेक्स्ट इज शास्त्रार्थ भवति स्म शास्त्रार्थ मीन्स डिस्कशन अबाउट द meaning of scriptures and decide the right interpretation. The meaning of scriptures bhavatisma means was done. So according to let's see the translation. According to the arrangement of Maitraka, after the completion means after the end of the study there used to be session of interpretation the meaning of scriptural passages in the debating assembly. Shastrarthe means means in the Shastrarthe here the a is the in शास्त्रार्थे सप्तमी विभक्ति एक वचन है क्योंकि यहाँ पे ए जो है ए शास्त्रार्थ प्लस ए तो यहाँ पे हो जाएगा शास्त्रार्थे तो ये है सप्तमी विभक्ति एक वचन क्योंकि ए जो है वो सफिक्स है संस्कृत का वो सप्तमी विभक्ति एक वचन का है तो यहाँ पे ए जो है शास्त्रार्थ शब्द के साथ ऐड होता है तो क्या हो जाएगा शास्त्रार्थे मीन्स इसका इंग्लिश में ट्रांसलेशन करेंगे तो इन शास्त्रार्थ सप्तमी विभक्ति एक वचन सो डिफरेंट आगे शास्त्रार्थे विभिन्नानां मतमतांतराणां विभिन्नानां मीन्स डिफरेंट टाइप्स मतमतांतराणां ऑफ डिफरेंट आइडियाज मतमतांतराणां मत मीन्स डिफरेंट आइडियाज मतमतांतराणां मीन्स डिफरेंट आइडियाज खंडन मंडन पूर्वकम so with refutation and support so khandan means to refute opponent's view and mandan purvakam means to support to establish one's own point vimarshaha means thought discussion bhavatisma used to okay, so let's see. In the Shastras, they thought about refutation and support of different ideas. Anekasme, next word is Anekasme, too many. Vijay Janaya means victorious. Victorious people, victorious one. Too many victorious people. Vijay Janaya means two victorious people. Raja means king. Paritoshika Rupena. Paritoshik means a gift, a reward. Paritoshik means as a gift, as a reward. Bhumi means land, the part of earth. Bhumi means land. Okay, and the part of earth. Ayachat means give. The king gave the land means part of earth, as a gift, reward to many victorious people. Okay, candidates who were victorious. Next is kadachit. Kadachit means sometimes. Kadachit means sometimes. Vijay Jananam. Vijay Jananam. Vijay Jananam. Vijay Jananam means victorious peoples. Of victorious peoples. Namani. Namani means names. Vidyapithasya. Vidyapithasya means of university. Of university. So here Khandana Purvakam with reputation and support. Next word is Vijay Janaya. तो here आय विजय जनाय न के साथ हमको आय ऐसा सफिक्स हमें यहाँ पे सुनने में आता है। तो ये जो आय जो शब्द है, आय जो सफिक्स वर्ड है, वो चतुर्थी विभक्ति एक वचन का है, लाइक रामाय, बालकाय, पुस्तकाय, लेखनाय, गमनाय। ओके, सो हियर फोर विक्टोरियस। तो इसका इंग्लिश ट्रांसलेशन करेंगे तो क्या हो जाएगा, फोर, और फोर विक्टोरियस, चतुर्थी विभक्ति एक वचन। विद्यापीठस्य, विद्यापीठस्य मीन्स ऑफ यूनिवर्सिटी। सो हियर ऑल्सो षष्ठी विभक्ति एक वचन। षष्ठी विभक्ति मीन्स उसका इंग्लिश में ट्रांसलेट करेंगे तो क्या होगा, ऑफ, ऑफ यूनिवर्सिटी। द्वारे, द्वार। सो हियर द्वारे, सो द्वार शब्द है, मेन जो वर्ड है वो क्या है, द्वार है, और उसके साथ ए ऐसा सफिक्स वर्ड संस्कृत का ऐड होता है तो क्या बन जाएगा, द्वारे, मीन्स ऑन द डोर। तो सप्तमी विभक्ति इज लोकेटिव केस। ओके, ऑन द डोर, ओन, इन, अबाउ। तो ये जो इंग्लिश जो वर्ड है वो इसमें सप्तमी विभक्ति में आते हैं। सो ऑन द डोर, सप्तमी विभक्ति एक वचन। उटंकितानि, एनग्रेव्ड। उटंकितानि मीन्स एनग्रेव्ड। अभवन, अभवन मीन्स वेर, inscribed, inscribed। So let's see the translation. Sometimes the engraved the names of victorious people on the door of the university. Let's see the next. ख्रिस्तात् पूर्वं प्रायः पञ्चम्यां शताब्द्यां भगवतमहावीरस्य जन्म अभवत्। तस्मिन् काले भगवता महावीरेण यः उपदेशः प्रदत्तः स आगम नाम्ना प्रसिद्धः वर्तते। अयम् आगमः वर्षपञ्चशतं यावत् मौखिक परम्परायां सुरक्षितः आसीत्। एवं हि श्रूयते यत् ख्रिस्तस्य तृतीयां शताब्द्यां नागार्जुननाम्ना प्रसिद्धस्य विदुषः अध्यक्षतायाम् एका जैनसाधूनां समितिः मिलिता। अस्याम् आगमग्रन्थानां लेखनस्य प्रस्तावो अभवत्। अत्र लेखबद्धा वाणी वल्लभीवाचा नाम्ना प्रसिद्धा जाता। Let's see the first word. Christat Purvam Prayah means in the 5th century BC, before Christ. Purvam, Purvam means before Christ. Prayah, Praya means approximately. Panchamyam Shatabdyam, Panchamyam Shatabdyam means in the 5th century. Bhagavata Mahavirasya Janmah Abhavat. Bhagavat means the Lord. The Lord is the word is indeclinable. Praya, this word is indeclinable word. Bhagavad Mahavirasya Janmah Abhavat. Lord Mahavir was born. Let's see the translation of this sentence. Lord Mahavir was born approximately in the 5th century BC, means before Christ. Tasmin Kale means at the time, Kale means at the time, Bhagavata Mahavirena, by Lord Mahavira, Yah Upadesha, the message, Upadesha means message, Pradatta means given, Sa means that, Agam Namna Prasiddha Vartate, Agam Namna, by the name Agam, Prasiddha means famous, Vartate. At the time the message was given by Lord Mahavir Swami was famous by the name Agam. अयम आगम, अयम मीन्स दिस, आगम द आगम ग्रंथ वर्ष पंचशतम यावत, वर्ष पंचशतम मीन्स 500 years, 500 years, यावत, यावत मीन्स until, मौखिक परंपरायाम, मौखिक परंपरा मीन्स इन oral tradition, oral tradition, in ancient times हमारे भारत में जो भी स्टडी होती थी वो मौखिक परंपरा यानी ओरल, ओरल पद्धति थी, यानी जो गुरु अपने शिष्य को सुनाते थे यानी सिखाते थे वो सब कुछ ओरल ही था। तो गुरु अपने शिष्य को सिखाते थे, वो शिष्य अपने इस तरह से ये उसकी परंपरा पहले की थी पढ़ाने की, मौखिक परंपरायाम। सुरक्षिता आसीत, सुरक्षिता मीन्स safe and asit means was, yavat means until, मौखिक परंपरायाम means in oral method, oral tradition. uh, this agam, let's see the translation, this agam was saved by oral tradition method till 500 years. Evam hi shruyate, it is indeed heard. Yat, yat means that, yat means that, Christasya Trutiyam Shatabdyam, Christasya Trutiyam Shatabdyam means in the third century, in the third century, Nagarjuna Namna, Nagarjuna Namna means named Nagarjuna, Prasiddhasya, Prasiddhasya. So here Sya is the suffix of Sashti Vibhakti, Ekvajan. Prasiddhasya Vidusha, Prasiddhasya Vidusha. Vidusha means scholar and Prasiddha means famous, of the famous scholar. Adhyakshayam, Adhyakshayam means under the direction, under the direction. Eka, Eka means one. Jaina Sadhunam Samiti, Jaina Sadhunam of the Jain saints. Samiti, Samiti means committee. Milita, Milita means met, meeting. Was held, was held. Milita. Let's see the translation. It was heard that in the third century a meeting was arranged under the direction of famous scholar named Nagarjuna for Jain saints. अस्याम आगम ग्रंथानां लेखनस्य प्रस्तावो अभवत्. अस्याम means in the meeting, in this means meeting, agam granthanam means all of all agam grantha lekhanasya means of writing form, लेखनस्य यानी जो आगम ग्रंथ था वो 500 years वो मौखिक परंपरा में यानी इन ओरल ट्रेडिशन में सुरक्षित था, पर तृतीय यानी थर्ड सेंचुरी में नागार्जुन नाम के एक प्रसिद्ध स्कॉलर की अध्यक्षता में यानी उसके अंडर में एक समिति हुई और वहां पे ये ग्रंथ को लिखने का प्रस्ताव वहां पे रखा गया था. लेखनस्य means of writing form, prastavo abhavat, prastavo abhavat. So here prastavo abhavat, this word also sandhi word. Here visarga sandhi rule will be applied when visarga, when visarga sandhi rule will be applied when visarga, when visarga followed by short a, when visarga followed by short a, then visarga converted into o, then visarga converted into o, and when a or o, when a and o followed by a. So here visarga converted into a and converted into o. Okay. When visarga followed by a, short a means raswa a, then visarga converted into o, and when a and o followed by a, then by a the letters merge into the former and sign अवग्रह. ओके, अवग्रह की यहाँ पे निशानी हो जाएगा, या अ ही है. लाइक एग्जांपल देखते हैं. को अपि, सो कह अपि, इसकी संधि हम डिस्टेंट करेंगे तो क्या हो जाएगा, कह प्लस अपि। तो हियर विसर्ग इन कन्वर्ट क विसर्ग फॉलोड बाय अ एंड देन विसर्ग कन्वर्टेड इनटू ओ एंड क्या हो जाएगा, ओ, वो अवग्रह की निशानी आ जाएगी। नेक्स्ट, पूरा काले अपि, सो हियर ले ए, हियर यहाँ पे पूरा काल ऐसा शब्द है जिसमें ए ये सफिक्स उसमें ऐड हुआ है, यानी ए जो है स्वर इसमें ऐड हुआ है, तो क्या हो जाएगा, पूरा काले अपि। तो यहाँ पे ए एंड ओ फॉलोड बाय अ देन अवग्रह, यहाँ पे अवग्रह की निशानी आ जाएगी, पूरा काले पी। पूरा काले अपि प्रस्ताव अभवत, मीन्स रिजोल्यूशन was passed. Let's see the translation. And were passed the resolutions that all Agam Granth should be converted into writing form. Next, ख्रिस्तस्य नवम्यां शताब्द्यां वल्लभीनगरस्य विनाशः अभवत्, परन्तु तस्य अवशेषाः अद्यापि तस्य समृद्धिं सूचयन्ति। एवं भारतस्य प्राचीनेषु विद्याकेन्द्रेषु वल्लभी एकतमम् आसीत्, इतिहासे च अद्यापि वर्तते। अत्र लेट्स सी, वल्लभीवाचा सॉरी प्रस्तावो अभवत्, अत्र लेखबद्धावाणी, अत्र अत्र मीन्स हियर लेखबद्धावाणी, लेखबद्धावाणी मीन्स speech that was written from, there's speech that was written, lekhabadda vani, vani means speech, means lekhabadda means written from valbhi vacha, valbhi vacha namna, valbhi vachana namna, the name valbhi vachana prasiddha jata, prasiddha means famous and jata means become. So here the speech which was written and become famous as name will be Vachana. Last paragraph. ख्रिस्तस्य नवम्यां शताब्द्यां वल्लभीनगरस्य विनाशः अभवत्, परन्तु तस्य अवशेषाः अद्यापि तस्य समृद्धिं सूचयन्ति। एवं भारतस्य प्राचीनेषु विद्याकेन्द्रेषु वल्लभी एकतमम् आसीत्, इतिहासे च अद्यापि वर्तते। ख्रिस्तस्य नवम्यां शताब्द्यां means in the 9th century, Valbhinagarasya, of Valbhinagara. So here also Valbhinagarasya means of Valbhi suburb, Sashti Vibhakti Ekvachan, of Valbhi city. Vinashaha, Vinasha means destroyed. Abhavat, Abhavat means was. Abhavat means was. In the 9th century, translation, in the 9th century, Valbhi city was destroyed. Parantu, Parantu means but, Tasya Avsesha, Tasya means that, Avsesha, sign of the city, remains, sign of the city, remains. Adhyapi, Adhyapi means Adhya plus Api, okay, Adhya plus Api, even today, Tasya, Tasya means that, Samruddhi means prosperity. Suchayanti means indicate. Let's see the translation sentence. But even today, its remains indicates its prosperity. एवं भारतस्य प्राचीनेषु विद्याकेन्द्रेषु, एवं भारतस्य प्राचीनेषु विद्याकेन्द्रेषु, प्राचीनेषु भारतस्य, भारतस्य, so here also suffix of the षष्ठी विभक्ति एक वचन, of India means of India. प्राचीनेषु विद्याकेन्द्रेषु, प्राचीनेषु means in ancient time, विद्याकेन्द्रेषु, so here kendreshu, prachineshu and vidyakendreshu, this both words are saptami vibhakti plural, means saptami vibhakti locative case plural. Shu like rameshu, nagareshu, grameshu, etc. प्राचीनेषु विद्याकेन्द्रेषु means in ancient time. Vidyakendreshu means in learning centers. Valbi named Valbi Ekatamam Asit. Ekatamam means one of the Asit means was. Itihase and अद्यापि वर्तते. इतिहासे च अद्यापि वर्तते. इतिहासे means in history. Cha means and. Adyapi means adya plus api. Even today, vartate, it still is. Okay, let's see the translation. In this way, Valbi was one of the ancient teaching learning centers of India, and today also it is in history. Okay, so students, जो हमारा जो चैप्टर है फोर्थ चैप्टर यहाँ पे खत्म होता है. इन नेक्स्ट वीडियो वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट exercise of this chapter. So thank you students.